So here we go with live music, guys. We got nice chairs. And we're gonna check out what we got here. Oh my bad. You need which way you finna film?
I'm gonna film that side.
Oh, okay. Let me get on this side from you. Here we go, guys. Some more products. How you doing? Doing great, thank you. Just looking right now. Some really nice crystals.
The whole thing. Really provides every platform, right?
Yeah. I need to get a damn rolling tray.
I think when you're setting up the stand and everything, just pressing it.
You know what? I found the perfect rolling tray.
Well, which one?
I feel like this is the perfect rolling tray right here. Oh, sorry about that.
C is close to AC squared.
Yeah. I think this is the perfect one for me, guys.
Einstein shit. Oh, Rick and Marty.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this, guys. 'Cause I feel like this is me. Whatever, she got a bigger one. So let's see if they have a bigger one, guys.
Same size?
Yeah, same size. If they have one like that size. Alright, let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, we got a microdose kit here. You know, we'll try out some of that. Hey, how's it going? Quick question. Do you have a large one like this?
That's on the side here. Might not have the exact same design.
Ah.
That's the thing. But each one has its design here.
Yeah.
That one's magnetic. That's the same mini tray, but it comes with a special.
Oh, nah, I'm gonna go with this one. Here's my nerd meter. They got bongs here, guys. Something I don't mess with anymore. Not for me. Okay. So if you know me, you know I really like glassware. Oh, this is really cool. So this one is a Cobra.
So we do have one as well where you can take all three as a gift set. It's 500 rand. So basically you get one for free.
Oh, okay.
And it comes with different designs and colors.
Oh, nice.
Have you seen our monster box today? There's some extras.
Oh,
And then
okay.
there are some attachments for your box. Basic 14mm stem. You just take this out, you replace it with that.
Oh, nice.
Also sticks on the beach.
Then we have these pipes also. Really good pipes. I just don't like them because once you break that bowl, there's no use.
Dirty thing for those.
Yeah.
So what we also do have, we have these little 1 liters. It's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
It comes in its carry case, also is odor proof, and it also just protects that a little bit as well.
Alright. Let me see. I'm gonna get the
You've seen
tray.
our little alien pump, our glow in the dark ghost.
Oh, nice.
Charge it in the sun.
Oh, they got some gold wrappers, guys. Meditation art. We got microdose kit. What strains do you have in here? Okay.
Are you familiar with this strain?
Yes. Okay, nice. 70 milligrams per cap, guys. So, you know, since I am a microdose dude and I have my company, I'm going to have to try these out. Is there a difference in how many in these?
Those, so what's it called? These ones are 70 milligrams of lion's mane. You know lion's mane mushroom?
Yeah.
So these are 70 milligrams of lion's mane and 70 milligrams of psilocybin, which is pink semi.
Yeah.
And per capsule, you do 3 days on and 4 days off. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, take one capsule. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's when you don't take it, and then so on and so on.
Okay.
These ones are like what's it called? Actual magic mushrooms, like no lines made inside, just actual pure.
And which one? Just penis envy too?
Yes, this is pure penis envy, nothing inside, just one capsule, 3 days on, 4 days on.
And how many milligrams is that one? 70.
It is 120.
120?
Well, I think it's per capsule.
Okay.
120 or
How much are these ones?
these are 225. Yeah, these are 225. Those are 225.
Okay. Let me get 2 of these.
Two of these.
Is that the one I see here?
I think it's just
Okay. Then let me get both of them. Yeah, both of them.
take cash or card.
Card. Actually, let me just go ahead and clean you up. Yeah.
Okay.
I have a microdose business.
This one glows better, like this one.
This one here though.
Really?
Yeah.
So how do you actually smoke this? Put it here?
Yeah, so you put it, you
Put it in here?
feed the bowl. There's a piece that'll go on there, I believe. You will feed the bowl, hit it, because then you can should be able to put water in this one. Have you ever used a bong before?
No.
It's not my way. I don't.
Really?
Oh shit. I don't like to smoke out of it.
Really?
It's just not my thing, man.